Now let me talk about the third tool. It is called the magnetic lasso tool. So if you are on the lasso tool, click and hold and select the third one. As the name suggests, it's kind of operates like a magnetic. It can automatically snip to the border of the object and select it. So let me start from here. You click on anywhere and then slowly move your mouse along the boundary of the object. Now I'm not clicking anything. It is just automatically selecting the border of the object. So to move the picture, I'm holding the space key on the keyboard and then drag the image and then release the space key. So use the space key to help you move the image, and if I make a mistake like that, I can use the backspace key on the keyboard to delete one anchor point. So I'm pressing the backspace key on the keyboard, and then you can go back to start over. So the magnetic lasso tool is a little bit time consuming compared to the first tools we talk about, but it's quite straightforward, and some people prefer this one than others. So now I'm going back to the first point, and now you can see there is a circle on the bottom right corner of our cursor, and then you can click to finish the selection. Let me demonstrate again on this example. So it's kind of similar. You start anywhere and then slowly move your mouse, and it will snip to the boundary of the object. So using this one, we don't have to like switch back and forth the add to selection or subtract from selection using the what's that called? Quick selection tool. And I just find out that once you are in the magnetic lasso tool, you cannot zoom in or out. So make sure before you are working in this tool, you zoom in the picture, make sure you can see every details very clearly, and then you only need to use the space key to pan the picture, and you don't have to zoom in again. And one more thing I want to add is that sometimes when you are working with the turning point of an object, and like here, it is not snapping to the corner. So then you can actually click on the corner to manually add one anchor point instead of let it choose the anchor point itself. Like here we can click once, and then it will create that sharp corner that we want. So I always like to click on corners. here there are too many details. It's hard to make sure everything is selected, so just do the best you can. You don't have to uh, spend too much time on these details. Okay, so that is the sofa selected.